welcome. This is Real Estate Motivated. We are back. We are back. How you feeling, brother? Got my brother behind the camera.
Feeling awesome today, brother.
I love it. I need that energy. I love it. So we are here at my second investment property. Second one. You know, I don't feel like I'm moving too fast. I feel like I'm moving at a good, steady pace. So Godspeed. So yeah, so we are here. This is the second property. It is right around the corner from the last one we just finished. I have 2 videos off of that one. I wanted to do more videos for that project, but man, my first one was in real time. You know, I'm dealing with a construction budget, making things flow. It was a lot, it was a good bit of pressure. But this time around, I'm going to do more videos on it. I want to, yeah, man, I feeling good. So this property, give you little details about this property. So this property is currently, of course, it's historic. Of course, it's historic. We're trying to get that capital back. So this property is about maybe over 60 years old. It is currently a 2-1, 1,200 square feet. It is, some details we got. 2-1, we're gonna transform it into a 3-2, and I'll show you that floor plan. It is historic, so the purchase price was, I think it was 51.7. Construction gonna be maybe 97. ARV for this property is going to be 228,000. So this numbers wise, this project is similar to the last one. So once it's completed, you will have about maybe like 106 to 108 about in equity, and then it's historic, so it qualifies for historic tax credit. So we'll be able to get that initial investment back and roll into the next projects and keep it going. So yeah, so enough about the numbers talk. We'll get into that later. So yeah, you can see this project. This project is really, really rich, especially in the carpentry. So this one is 1,200 square feet. You can see the transom at the top. This was originally a porch that they closed in, and pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to break down this floor. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like cracking. Break down this floor, add subfloor, and add wood flooring. I don't know. You come this way, brother. I don't know. Oh, you come this way. So this is the spot that I was originally gonna put a washer and dryer. My mom came here yesterday and she said she hated it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But you can kind of see just pretty much lining it right here, and pretty much gonna enclose it with like a door. I didn't think that was a bad idea. Everywhere else, I didn't really have a great spot for it. Remember, it's historic, so you have to, respect the guidelines and restrictions that SHPO gives you. Slam my dream. So the challenge is when you're doing or you're adding different spots for these historic properties, you can't change too much about the original floor plan and the historical features of a house. So it's really a puzzle. So it's like, it's good. It builds you up for when you're doing new construction projects. So that you have like a blank canvas. But for now, it's always kind of like a challenge. And you always want your washer and your dryer pretty much with the exhaust fan going pretty much outside. So, yeah, this is a really good door though. You can look at it. It's a good door. People, solid wood. This is a like a $1,200-$1,500 door if I was to go to Lowe's right now. But yeah, so this is the living room. The previous owner, was an older guy, broke his arm in the midst of moving stuff. So I let him put some stuff here, put some stuff in the shed for him. Yeah, so he got a week. If anybody wants a sofa and some Christmas lights, they can come and get it by the end of Friday. But yeah, so you can see nice transom at the top. It's really good, man. So yeah, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, pretty much demo it out, add drywall, new drywall on the walls and ceilings in here and in this room, and pretty much adding 4 recessed lights, new ceiling fan. Gonna keep this entrance right here. So yeah, gonna keep that in the living room, and gonna make this the kitchen. So currently right now, this is where the kitchen is. This is where the kitchen is right now currently. It's not bad, but in order to achieve my cash flow and achieve my rents, I need to add another bedroom, add another bathroom. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is get rid of this kitchen, bring a kitchen in the front, make this a bedroom, and gonna close up this back door, and gonna make this a bathroom. So pretty much gonna add glass up here for the transom, bring the transom back. And yeah, man, make this a closet. You saw me just pause. So my brother's laughing. So yeah, so pretty much on the other side of this is the closet we'll see in a few. And gonna take away from that closet to make this a bigger bathroom. So yeah, this is the living room. I mean, the new kitchen. Yeah, they're gonna want us to keep this. I'm not a problem with it at all. So the kitchen. Put up a little island right here. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is pretty much kind of like replicate what I did at the last project. Just because it's a rental, you wanna create your own process and keep it the same for each one. Especially I'm moving back to New Orleans and I'm not gonna wanna come up here and figure out what was the paint, what was this, what was that. Just keep it the same. It's a rental, you know what I mean? Provide quality housing, what you wanna, create your own process and keep it the same. So pretty much what we're gonna do is put an island right here, fridge, oven, cabinets at the top, cabinets right along here. Let me get a little pantry out of me. I'm gonna do that for him. Yeah, man. So this is another bedroom. Nice closet. And this is the other closet that's I'm gonna take away from there to create a bathroom. So pretty much I'm gonna put this closet pretty much right here, because you already have one right there, and give this to that bathroom over there. What you think about that, brother?
Honestly, I think it's really pretty fire.
Okay.
I feel like it can be a really good turnout.
Okay. Don't be lying to me. When you laugh like that, somebody think you're lying.
Oh no, I'm not lying.
All right. So, yeah, man. I mean, this is a bathroom right now. This is the only bathroom that they had. Pretty much, it still has tile, things like that. Look, I tried to update it with paint and a little new vanity. Probably gonna just demo it out, get a new toilet in there, new fixtures. Probably, yeah. Just update it. You can get in there, check it out if you want. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the other bedroom. This one definitely needs new drywall. You can see that cracks and things like that. We checked out the foundation. Foundation was good, different things. But yeah, new drywall, keeping the original trim, keeping the original baseboards. Nice closet, 2 closets. Probably gonna put the hot water heater in here to make room for where it is right now in that bathroom, new bathroom. I feel good. My mom walked it. She had a lot to say. My missus walked it. She had a lot to say. My brother's walking it right now. How do you feel about it? Feel good?
Oh yes, for sure. I really feel like it can be like more. I feel like what you're trying to do can definitely work for this project.
My brother's he's so on it because you're gonna be going to med school, something like that. You're gonna need somewhere to stay. You're gonna need some money.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you want me to.
Yeah.
You doing this? Okay, gotcha. Okay. Well, yeah. That's it. I am very pleased with this purchase. I am very, numbers wise, I'm very, optimistic about this project. Definitely something to add to the portfolio to keep going. The numbers are pretty good. This is the second one. Honestly, in the last 6 months, we've added 215. It's either 215 or 225,000 in equity, which is net worth as well. That's just day one. Right now, yeah, man. That's just I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about it. You know what I mean? I'm feeling like a nice little nice foundation we're building. You know what I mean? For where I'm going and trying to take it. So yeah, I made this channel to track my journey, which I have for the past maybe like 4 to 5 years, And now that I'm actually getting into my own projects, it feels good to actually show, you know, what I'm capable of and things like that. And to also, you know, provide a track record for my sons to see where their father was and where he started and things like that. So yeah, I feel good about this project. Stay tuned. I'll be doing more videos. The last one for this one. Yeah, any last words, brother?
Tell me a little more about the kitchen.
Yeah, so the original kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the original kitchen looks like it was it has an oven. It's honestly a really nice kitchen. I mean, I do plan on I'm gonna try to save these cabinet doors, but everything else has to go. I mean, really nice sink. These houses were really rich in history and really well built, man. Yeah, I mean, other than that, they gotta go. You gotta demo it, make that bedroom to make that profit, that monthly cash flow. You know what I mean? I can't keep it at 2. I can't keep it at 2-1. You know. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it up there, put it up here. You know, new kitchen's gonna look real good. Yeah, I mean, you walk out of your bedroom and you boom. You know, your kitchen's right here, your living room's right there. Mm-hmm. You know, it's 1,200 square feet, but it feels a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. The last one was really, really big. You want to go check that one out again?
Oh, for sure.
Okay, let's go check that one out. That one was a 3-1 that we made into a 4-2. And yeah, let's go check it over there. You haven't been over there to do appliances, so yeah, let's go check that one out and get a kind of like a little update on it, I guess. It's leased. Waiting for this tenant to move in, getting it cleaned tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, check it out. Kitchen. It looks totally different than when it originally did. My brother thought it was a different house. Yeah, so I went with you know, some good stainless appliances. Floor is dirty, like I said. I get cleaned up for the tenant. Yeah, nice cabinet, nice island. You know what I mean? Stainless steel appliances, farmhouse sink. You know what I mean? Some good things, but good durable things. You know what I mean? Because it's like if you were to go with laminate countertops, you can't be mad that somebody broke it. You know what I mean? If you know somebody's gonna be hard on it, you know, things like that. Try to prevent that inequality stuff. Yeah, man. I mean, pretty much. I mean, primary bedroom. You know. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Hardwood floors. You know, the house came with the original flooring in the living room and the kitchen. You know, nothing too crazy, but going with spending a little bit more, but getting durable, you know, quality things to provide quality content. So, yeah, man. So yeah, I mean, that's 2 of the bedrooms. Yeah, if you want to know about this house, go to the last video about this house. Okay, this one is about our new project. So yeah, stay in tune with it. You know, like, subscribe, all those YouTube things. Let me know how you feel about it. But I'm looking forward to continuing tracking my journey in my portfolio.